Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for GM's 2011 to 2019 HD pickups. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's bed and lift it to create working clearance. Uninstall the fuel tank and set it aside. Remove any fuel lines, brackets, or clips from the work area. Step 3. Cut the factory crossmember off the frame rails. Do not cut into the frame rail itself if possible. If the frame rail sections where this crossmember installs need repair, install the required frame repair kit or kits before continuing. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply a weld-through primer. Use the silhouette of the factory crossmember to align the replacement on the frame rails. Use a jack to hold the crossmember in place. Confirm the fuel tank strap mount is in the correct position. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the crossmember in place. Then fully weld all edges. Step 6. Install the fuel tank and fuel tank strap using the included hardware, an M10 hex bolt and an M10 steel hex nut. The M10 bolt uses a 15mm socket. The M10 nut is already welded in place. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall the fuel lines and any removed brackets, then lower and reinstall the bed.